Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your service with Optimum easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your service with Optimum, start by gathering your account information. Locate your account number and any associated personal identification. Visit the Optimum website or open the Optimum app. Sign in to your account using your username and password. Look for the support or help section of the website or app. Find the option for Account Management or Cancel Service. Read through the cancellation policy carefully. If you still wish to proceed, follow the prompts for cancellation. You may be asked to confirm your account details. Provide any feedback if prompted, this may help improve their services. If you prefer to cancel by phone, call the customer service number. Be prepared to provide your account information to the representative. Request to cancel your service and follow any instructions given. Take note of any confirmation number or email regarding your cancellation. Confirm the final billing details and if any equipment needs to be returned. Return any rented equipment to your local Optimum store or follow the provided instructions. Check your email for a confirmation of your cancellation. Keep all records for future reference. Your service should now be successfully canceled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.